Ever wanted to create eye-catching animations but don't know where to start? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own animated content using Canva. And the best part is, I will show you the easy way, so that you can create your own animation even if you've never designed before. Let's watch this video. Start by going on to Canva. This is the new updated interface. Go to Video and select this format. For this example, I will select YouTube format, but you can select any format. In the new update, you can see the hovering sidebar, which you can double press it to lock it as normal. Let's lock this. Okay, now let's get into our main tutorial. Go to Elements tab. You can search for your desired file in Canva's library. I will search for City. Go to Graphics. Here you will find all the files related to your search. I will select this image. I will adjust this image according to. Now, I will use one animated person in my design. One thing to keep in mind: to click this three-dot hamburger and select Animated option. By doing this, you will only see animated images. Among these options, I will select one animated walking person. Let's flip and adjust to fit in my design. You can easily flip any images in Canva. Not only that, but you can also change color to match it with your design. Nice. Now comes the main part, which is to animate. Click on this Animate button. Then you will see this B icon, press on it. Drag your character to the direction where you want to move. Once done, select movement style to smooth or steady. You can also select speed of the design. Once completed, select Done. Let's move on to our second animation. I will show you map travel animation. Go to Graphics. If you can't find what you are searching for, you can search in other tabs such as Photos, Videos. In my case, I will select one of these images and adjust according to my design. Now let's put a location pin. I will duplicate this location icon simply by pressing this icon. Now, to have moving effect, press T on your keyboard and input dash from your keyboard and change it your desired color. I will use black. Nice. Now make some adjustment. Here is the main step that you should not miss. Go to Effects tab. Scroll down and you will find this option to curve the text, and it will look something like this. Let me make some final adjustment. Nice. Now here comes the part where we will animate this. Click on Animate. With the different preset options, select any one of them. I will select Pop, but you can experiment with different options. Now, to animate like it's moving, select the dash and go to Animate. Select Wipe option. The main part is to set timing so that it looks like it's popping at the right time. To do that, right-click on the object and click on Show Timing. Now adjust the timing of the animations. As you can see, if you click on different objects, the timing appears. Now what you need to do is simply drag and reduce its timing, which should look something like this. Further enhance it more. Let's reduce the timing of this location pin, and the final result will look something like this. Let's move on to our final animation. This is simple compared to the previous, and I have made variations of this type of animation on my channel. Make sure you check them out. Like previous example, I have searched the item in Elements tab. I will select this image for this example and adjust its position. Now let's search for animated walking person. Like previous example, let's select animation. Now let's move from one side to another. Click on Animate. To do that, click on the B icon and hover your mouse. Click it to steady or smooth. Now let's make it look professional by adding some transition. You can select Match and Move Transition. And here is your final result.